Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be building a computer. That is right, but before I do this, a quick word from our sponsor. I am dying. Alright, quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Pinnacle Computer Solutions. This is a PC building business that I own. We offer multiple different PCs. Here, you can find our site at pinnaclecomputersolutions.us. You can click Shop Now to view all of our products. We sell PCs and monitors. Here you can see how to order a PC, how to customize it. We're going to go ahead and click on this right here. And we're going to see, we see a couple pictures of the PC case itself. And this little option box comes up over here. We get to choose everything we want to put in here. This is our business PC. Go through here, click on all the things that you want for your business PC. And then it'll tell you how much it'll add to the price. You can add that to your cart, and it'll tell you how much it'll cost. So up here you got the menu. You can click any of these. Affiliate program sign up. If you'd like to earn a commission for sales that you drive with a code, your people get a discount, you get a commission, and I get a sale. So it's a win-win-win situation. Go sign up today. We are accepting everyone, so sign up. Hurry. All products. This is where you can go and view all of our products. We got a business workstation, Intel-based PC. These are the prices that they start at. So this is $250 for Windows and a warranty. That's combined. PCS server, that's what we're known as, short PCS PCs. Ryzen-based PC. You go through here, you configure your things. We have monitors. You can go get a monitor if you'd like. We're going to click on the Ryzen-based PC. It's going to load. But if you don't know what to choose, scroll all the way down. Do you need help? Here's a guide for gaming. Here's a guide for a workstation. And then there's a monitor guide down there. So go look at all that. Go check it out. Order your next PC today. We will build it, quality check it, and ship it out straight to your door. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. So thanks for watching. Bye, everyone. Also, a 1 terabyte Intel NVMe SSD. Got some cable ties that don't really matter right now. The main part will be the Ryzen 3900x, people. Ooh, the big old processor. Gonna get some serious power. And we got the Radeon RX 5700 XT. That's the big card. You got a 8+6 pin power plug there. This is the reference model. It is not any special model, but that's okay. Fantex P350X Elite. Maybe Fantex P350X. I can't remember how you say it. Anyways, that's the case we're building in. Got some cable extensions. White, because the inside of the case is white. It has some white accents, so we did white. Alright, now, I'm going to set all this up and bring you back whenever we got the hardware part. So, yeah. See you in a second. Alright, we are back, people. As you can see, the system is completed. Ran into a couple snags. It got kind of hard in a couple areas. There's not much cable management room in this case. Keep that in mind if you're using extensions. I would choose to use just from the PSU to the component actual sleeve cables. Move those out of the way. So this is the system fully completed. Pull it in front of you here. As you can see, we've got nice little cables here. Cables up there. G-Skill Trident Royal RAM 5700X key. It is completely done. I had to remount the radiator. So the screws that the radiator came with were not the screws with the little flat head. Got a little rounded head. There's the flat head. This would have fit on perfectly, but it didn't. So I had to put the fans on the inside, which is okay. It's okay. Not my preference, but it's fine. Now we do have a light strip down here, as well as two on the front, and you can change those. Yeah, you can change them. Anyways, I gotta get in there and set everything up. It does post, but let's talk a little bit about this business that I said sponsored the video, which is my business. This PC, someone went onto my site, configured a PC, and then messaged me with like, what components do you use, what manufacturers. I told them which ones I use, which I do have them listed on my site now, so you can go check that out. But after that, he decided to order the PC. I put it together, and now I just have to load it with some software. I do Steam, OBS, Malwarebytes is like a antivirus thing, and TeamViewer, things like that. Just simple things. I don't do much bloatware because, no, I don't like that. But I will get in there, install all of the software, drivers, programs, everything, put it in a box and ship it to them. If you are looking for your next PC, go to my website, use one of the configurators. It says $250 for a Ryzen-based PC and Intel-based PC. They're not $250. You go in there, you pick all your parts. If you need help, go down to the bottom of the page. There's a little description telling you how to choose your parts. So yeah, go there, check that out. Order your next PC. We also have business PCs that are in small HTPC form factor. We have servers already pre-built, editing rigs and things like that. We sell monitors as well, so go check that out. Pinnacle Computer Solutions. We are also known as PCS. But yeah, I will leave the link down below. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already for more of this content. I do have a build coming up in the Fantex Evolve Shift, so that will be fun, using a Ryzen 3700x. That's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, go check out my social media and stuff. Follow me on there. Follow the business social media. I will put that down below. We just got started on that, so we don't have many followers on there. Go help us out there. But until next time, everyone, I will see you later. Maybe. I can't stop.